For my money, sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me see. Okay, I think the sun is coming directly on my face. Sun kissed, guys. Anyways, so today we planned a mini picnic for the family and we are on our way to the venue, the location we picked. And I didn't get enough time to fix my face at home, so I'm going to do that in the car while we go. And before that, I want to show you guys what is in this car. So here we have everything we packed for the picnic. Almost everything, because some are in the boot. So yeah, that's candy, and this is where we kept the plates we are going to be using to eat. So this is rice and sauce. When I get the shot, I'm going to make a proper video for you guys, but this is just more like a sneak peek. Who would have thought that I would love nature so much? I have never been one to love nature. I've never been one to go on adventures that has to do with nature, but I think I'm beginning to find my spark. You won't believe this. I actually carried my laptop to this outing because I had to work. I just get called randomly and like, oh, favor, you have to fix this, you have to do this, check your mail. And I just have to do it instantly because I'm not about to lose my job because of Christmas. And anyways, guys, that's my sister saying hi to the camera. We had a fantastic ride to our location. And see, before now I planned out this day. Like my sister said, just research on anywhere you want us to go, and I did it. I finished work. I'm going to show you guys very much later. So we stopped by, guys, to get bed for my apartment, my new apartment, guys. I'm going to do a room tour very much later, not now. And this was us in my estate already, on our way to my house. And finally, guys, we got to the location, Lufasi Nature Park. I actually discovered this place on my way back from work on a very cool evening, and I figured it would be best to explore this place with my family. So I did some check on TikTok to know what it would be like inside and how fun the place is. Hi guys, say hi guys. Hi. So guys, today, like I said earlier, we visited the Lufasi Nature Park. Okay, so guys, join us while we explore this place. We are going to have so much fun today. Fun. Are you ready to have fun? Going to check in first and check everything. Oh my god, I heard that they have snakes here, so we are kind of scared. Look, come on. Yay! Oh my god. Anyway, that was a prank, but it blew me off. My spirit left my body. So we are going to check, then we'll take our food in very much later.
No, the thing is, we are here now. So any kind of creeping agents that is here, they will run.
Hide your face.
The new sheriff is in town.
He's in town, period. So guys, we are trying to locate, because I actually researched on this place on TikTok. So we saw a lake on TikTok. Since we're not offered tour guides, we are guiding ourselves by ourselves. So we are on our way to look for the lake.
just forest healing. You just need to indulge yourself in it. Just sit down and meditating. You just need the forest atmosphere. That's just it. It's not. There's nothing special about it. It's not as if you are bathing with. See the picture.
Where is the buffalo itself?
Let me tell you why the picture is
Don't go. The buffalo don't.
It's just telling us the history of where they were existing before. They were in Igbo-Efon. Igbo-Efon means forest of buffalo. Yeah, Igbo-Efon, yeah now. Igbo-Efon after maybe Lekki conservation. That Lekki area, Igbo-Efon. I'm talking about the buffalo. They are extinct now in Lagos.
Yes, I'm using. Finally, guys.
This is the best place to play.
Welcome to Lake Moses.
Lake Moses.
So guys, it's actually called Lake Moses.
Lord. What Lord?
Hi guys. So this is Lake Moses, right? Okay, so this is Lake Moses. Say hi. Hi. So guys, we finally found a good spot for our picnic, and here are the things we brought for the picnic. We have rice, we have sauce, pepper sauce, but with chicken.
Peppered chicken.
Yes, pepper chicken sauce. Then we have okay, and dodo, and we have candy, chocolate candy. Then we have popcorn, homemade popcorn, by the way, by my sister. She made everything here, so this
Extra
is
sauce
extra sauce for our food and veggies. Then we got water, drinks, and juice. On our way here we bought block so that our things can be chilled. Period. Clackheads.
Come and join us.
Come and join us, guys. So we're about to have a ball, and also I came with my laptop, guys, because I have to work. Merry Christmas. Forgot to add, we brought cookies. Brought cookies for, you know, appetizer.
Dessert.
For dessert or appetizer. So she's dishing the food out now, and we're going to have a swell time eating this food. Mind you, you guys know already, Sha. My sister, she's a very good cook. She's a great cook. So I'm using this to step down first.
I don't know if I'm a great.
I'm stepping down a bit. Then I'll go and do the horse ride. I'm going to show you guys that part too. This was one of my favorite activity on this day, the horse riding. It's actually my first time, so believe me when I say I had great fun doing this. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Love you guys. Bye.